brand new video, and in today's video we are going to review the Girnar Royal Cup tea. So guys, this is a Girnar Royal Cup tea from Girnar and their tagline is pure and fresh. So let's start off with the packaging of the product. So guys, this is how the product comes packaged in a nice carry bag form packaging. Right here you can have a carry bag form here, and right here we can see the Girnar logo. There's a Girnar logo right here, the Girnar branding, then their tagline, which is pure and fresh. Here's a logo of a crown. It says the name of the product is Royal Cup Tea, Premium Assam CTC leaf. Girnar Royal Cup Tea, again written below. Here's the illustration of the tea. Moving to the below part, again we have the Girnar branding here, Girnar Royal Cup Tea shown here. Moving on the back of the pack, again we have the Girnar branding in Hindi. Shud or Taza is the tagline in Hindi, and right here again Royal Cup Tea written in Hindi. Premium Assam CTC Chai Patti. Okay, there are nutrition facts mentioned here. So total calories per serving are 10 calories. So 10 calories in a cup of tea here, and then they are given the manufacturing addresses and stuff, all the numbers here. Coming to the net weight of the pack, the net weight of this pack is 1 kg, right? And the shelf life is 12 months from packaging, and the MRP of the Girnar Royal Cup Tea is rupees 520 for 1 kg. So that's a really premium price for a cup of tea. So yeah, so the MRP is rupees 520 for the Girnar Royal Cup Chai. So let's go ahead and open this pack and let's look at the tea leaves, and let's go ahead and prepare the tea and do a taste test. So guys, the best thing about this packaging is it comes in a Ziploc pack, so you don't need to transfer the tea leaves into another container. You can keep it inside this bag itself. So it comes with a Ziploc in it. So let's go ahead and open the bag, and then we can easily Ziploc it again. So they are given a marking here through which you need to cut, so you'll cut it from there itself, so that you don't cut the Ziploc. So guys, here we have opened the pack, and here you can have a look at the tea leaves right here. A very strong aroma of the tea right here, and very fine tea leaves here from Girnar. It has a very nice and strong aroma, nice coffee brown color to the tea leaves, so it's going to give your tea a nice brown color as well. So yeah, and like I told you, the best part of this packaging is it's a Ziploc. So after you remove the tea leaves, you can easily zip it up again, just like this, and it remains airtight and fresh. So here it goes. Now again, lock the freshness right in the inside the bag by ziplocking it again. So that's the best part about this. It keeps the tea leaves nice and fresh. So very well thought packaging here from Girnar. But definitely you are not going to remove 1 kg of tea leaves into a container or something, right? Hence, this kind of packaging comes really helpful. Very well thought by Girnar here. So guys, let's go ahead and make the tea and do a quick taste test on the Girnar Royal Cup Tea. Hello friends, so we have prepared the Girnar Royal Cup Tea, and we are going to quickly do a taste test of the same. It has a nice strong aroma of the tea right here, and it's nice piping hot tea, and I can't wait to taste the Girnar Royal Cup Tea because it looks so amazing. The color has come nice with the milk. So we are going to do a taste test of it right away. So let's go. This is the taste test of the Girnar Royal Cup tea. Very nice, very strong tea. Very amazing taste. Freshens you up with the first sip itself. Perfect, use what we say, perfect correctness of the tea to give you that quick jolt of caffeine hit and give you like a fresh start to your mornings. A really nice tasting tea, has a perfect strong flavor to it. It gives you a nice start to your day. So I really like the taste of it. Definitely a good tea here. And guys, if you all have tried the Girnar cup tea, don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. Let me know how did you all find it. And if you all want to purchase the Girnar Royal Cup tea, it's available on Amazon. You all can purchase it from there. I'll left a link in the description below. And if you guys have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.